I bet that you can read 10 books a month, and in this video I will show you how. Hi, I am Markus Heitkoetter, and I help people to make more money, have more time, and have more fun in their lives. People come to me because they want to know what exactly I did to become a multimillionaire who is now traveling the world and enjoying life. When I talk to people at my live events, they often tell me that they feel stressed. They feel that there's just not enough time in the day. They tell me that they want to read more books, to learn a new skill, but that they don't have time. And so they feel stuck and sometimes hopeless because they know one thing: if you don't change nothing, nothing will change. But how can you find the time to read more books and become smarter? I'm sure that you have a reading list of books and maybe even articles you want to read, right? Maybe you already have a bunch of books downloaded on your Kindle, but you don't have time to read them all. By the way, if you want to read a great book, you should check this one out. Anyhow, I bet that you can read 10 books per month, and that's more than 100 books per year. Do you think you would be smarter if you read 100 books per year? Leave a comment below and let me know what book you want to read next. Now let me show you how exactly you can read 100 books per year. And no, we're not talking about any crazy reading techniques. We are talking about simple math. There are two facts you need to know. Number one, the average non-fiction book has 50,000 words in it. And fact number two, an average person reads 200 words per minute. So this means that it will take you 250 minutes to read a book, or 6 hours. So in order to read 10 books per month, you would need 60 hours per month. There are 30 days in a month, so this means that you only need to read for 2 hours per day, and you would be able to read 10 books per month or 100 books per year. So here's how I do it. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, I'm making money with trading, real estate, and by running a business, and none of these activities require me to drive anywhere. My goal is to be in front of my computer and start my day by 8:15 or sometimes even 8:30. So I wake up at 7 and I'm reading for 1 hour. And that's already 1 out of the 2 hours that I'm planning to read. Of course, I could sleep another hour and get up at 8 o'clock, but I choose to get up an hour earlier so that I have time to read. And then I usually read for an hour before I go to bed. I go to bed around 10 o'clock. I read until 11-ish. Sometimes I read longer and sometimes I'm falling asleep sooner, but on average, I'm reading about 1 hour at night. Of course, I could watch TV at night, and yes, sometimes I do. I don't have cable anymore. I don't need that. I have Amazon Prime and Netflix. That's all I need. Let me ask you, do you still have cable? Or have you already cut the cable? Let me know in the comments. So sometimes I watch a show or maybe even a movie, but I'm making sure that I'm in bed around 10 p.m. so that I have time to read. So I'm reading an hour in the morning and 1 hour at night. That's 2 hours a day, 60 hours per month. And that equals to around 10 books per month. So let me ask you this, can you do this? I believe you can. Actually, I bet you can. It just depends on your choices. Do you prefer to sleep a little bit longer in the morning, or could you wake up 30 minutes earlier? Could you actually watch less TV at night and maybe read for 30 minutes? If so, then you already have an hour per day. And this means that you could read 5 books per month. This means 60 books per year. Do you believe that this would make you smarter, give you new skills, maybe even help you to make more money? Yes, I believe so. So there you go. This is how you can read up to 10 books per month. Try it just for the next month, and you will be amazed. Leave a comment and say, I commit, when you're ready to give this a try. And I can't wait to hear about your success. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you know anybody who might like this video, feel free to share it, and I'll talk to you soon. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.